In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit group in Outlook and remove member from group. We'll be working in classic Outlook on the desktop and using a contact group, sometimes called a distribution list. This is ideal when you regularly email the same set of people and want a single, easy-to-manage list. By the end, you'll know how to add members, remove members, and rename the group without losing any of your contacts. Start by opening Classic Outlook. Along the bottom left, switch to the People view, also labeled Contacts. This area shows your individual contacts and any contact groups you've already created. Find the group you want to update and double-click it to open the group window. To add members, look at the ribbon at the top and select Add Members. Depending on your setup, you might see Add from Address Book or a list of sources like the Outlook contacts. Choose the one that fits where your contacts are stored. Use the search box to look up people by name, then select them and add them to the group. You can pick multiple names before confirming, and you can hold the Control key to select several at once. When you've added everyone you need, confirm your choices and you'll see the new names appear in the members list. If someone doesn't appear in the address book, make sure they exist in your organization or in your personal contacts first. To remove members, keep the same contact group window open. Click on a person's name in the members list to highlight it, then click Delete on the ribbon. You can also right-click the name and choose Delete. This only removes the person from the group, it doesn't delete their contact from Outlook or your company directory. Need to remove several people at once? Hold Ctrl while selecting multiple names, then delete them together. If you remove someone by mistake, you can usually press Ctrl-C to undo before closing the window. If you'd like to edit the group's details, such as the name, you can do that here as well. Right-click the group name at the top, or use the option in the ribbon called Edit Contact Group. Type the new name, keep it clear and recognizable so it's easy to find later, then click Save. The updated name will appear across Outlook wherever the group is listed. When you're finished, choose Save Close to make sure your updates stick. That's all it takes to add members, remove members, and rename a contact group in Classic Outlook. Thanks for watching.